Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at the comparison between Luma AI and Heygen. Now, Heygen and Luma AI serve completely different functions in the video world. Luma AI is a creative dream machine for making cinematic, artistic, or impossible footage from scratch. Heygen is a professional digital person studio used for making presentations, training videos, and marketing content using AI avatars. Now let's look at their core differences. When it comes to human versus environment, that is, if you need a digital version of yourself to speak to a class, then Heygen is the industry leader. If you need a video of a futuristic city or an epic car chase, Luma AI is the tool to use. Now, if you look at the editing workflow, Heygen includes a full editor where you can add text, slides, and multiple scenes. Luma AI generates raw video files that you usually need to take into another editor like Premiere or CapCut to finish. Then when it comes to their scalability, Heygen is built for mass production. For example, sending 1,000 personalized videos to clients where each video says the client's name, while Luma AI is built for one-off creative masterpieces. So have you seen the major differences between them? Hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.